All right, guys. Good morning. My name is Sam. Yeah, I'm sorry I was supposed to be in Lagos, but I couldn't for some reasons. I've told Jukaka about it. Ejima is away. Okay. All right. So you guys are welcome to the second. Actually, this is the second. The second EOS gathering or meetup or hangout. The first one was in Uyo with HMI, right? Some months ago, about 2 months ago, 3 months ago. All right. Okay. Today I'm going to be talking about EOS storage. EOS storage. Why is EOS free for people to build decentralized apps on them? Why on it rather? Why is EOS free for web hosting for cloud storage? I had a Discord hangout with some guys yesterday in EOS Cafe Discord group, and I asked them why is EOS free for people to use. Why is that you can make transactions without fees? And I got some very funny answers. All right, so some people said EOS is free to use because it was designed to be free to use. But anyways, that's what they understand and that's what they're saying. But just like Steam, if you heard about Steam or Steemit, for you to be able to transact on Steam or on Steemit, you need to have um, Steam Power. Now, what is Steam Power? Steam Power is your Steam that is locked up, right? That is locked up. So, if you don't lock up some Steam in your Steam Power, you can transact. You can make posts. You see, you can make posts on Steemit. So that's exactly what is happening on EOS, right? But this time bigger and better, right? So, and that is really awesome. That is awesome because you don't have to start paying fees, and sometimes these fees they hike, right? They just grow really high. This video is supposed to be 3 minutes and 2 minutes already gone. Already gone. All right. So US cloud storage. Um, Several months ago, I made a post about storage, right? Now, what is storage? Storage is a decentralized cloud storage. Yeah, Amazon and Google has something like this, something similar. But the difference between storage and Amazon and Google is that number one, storage is decentralized, right? And storage has a lower fee. I think half the price. You see, and not only is the price cheaper, whatever your charge on storage doesn't go to storage, right? There's a way they divide it and share this more money amongst the farmers. Now on storage, well, when you upload file to the network, these files are shredded, right? They are shredded into bits, and they're stored in different computers around the world. Now, if you, Mr. Ajayi, decides to start storing these files, you'll be called a storage farmer, right? So as these files are being stored on your system, of which you have no access to those files because they are shredded and distributed around the world. So you'll be called a storage farmer and you'll be paid some storage. All right. Now, so storage has some fee attached to it. Now, but on EOS, you can save whatever you want to save, upload whatever you want to upload for free. All you just need to do is lock up some tokens, right? Now, let's assume that you're supposed to host a website on EOS for 1 year, right? You just want it to be for 1 year, and you require 1,000 EOS to do this. Now, you're not paying this 1,000 EOS to anybody rather. All you just need to do is lock up this 1,000 EOS for a period of 1 year. And then when you're done whatever you're doing, you get back your EOS. So it's free. It's actually free of charge. All you just have to do is lock it up. Just leave it till you're done whatever you're doing. And I think it's a game changer. There are other platforms that functions like storage, like Share and MadeSafe, right? think there's another one. I'm trying to remember. So this is actually a game changer. So on EOS, you can build dApps, and deploy them for free. All you have to do is lock up some tokens, and this is really awesome. Okay, it's more than 5 minutes. Let me just run it up right now. It's really awesome. Now the next challenge that people will have is what if, okay, now just check out the price of EOS. One EOS right now is, okay, when I checked it yesterday, it was around $11. Now what if, as a developer, I want to build a dApp or something, I want to do something on EOS, I don't want to go technical, I want to build something on EOS, and I need it requires 1000 EOS, and I can't just afford 1000. I can't just afford to get 1000 EOS. It's way too expensive, way too bigger than my budget. What can I do? What should I do? Very easy. Now, let me use Steem to explain it. Now, on Steam blockchain, you can actually rent some amount of Steam power. You see, you can rent Steam power for a month. Now, what it will cost you to rent that Steam power will be way cheaper than what it costs to buy it, right? So that's exactly what will happen on EOS. Now there's a dApp right now. There's a platform right now where they're still working on it, where you can actually um, rent Steam power. No, not Steam power this time, where you can actually rent EOS. Now if it would have cost you um 1000 EOS, and let's assume 1000 EOS would be $1000, and you don't have $1000, you can actually rent that amount of EOS that you need for, let's say, $10 or $100. You see, you can rent it out, and guess what? Now this money that will be paid to rent this EOS will not be paid to EOS. It will be paid to the owners of the EOS. Now let me put it this way: you have, let's assume you bought 1000 EOS, right? You have 1000 EOS right now, and then Mr. B needs 1000 EOS to upload something, right? Maybe to carry out a certain function in the network. Now you can decide to rent out this 1000 EOS to this guy, and then he pays you the $10, right? So you can decide to rent it for 1 month, or for a day, for 24 hours, for 2 minutes, for a year. Then the money will be paid to your account. So with that, you can make money, but right now there is no clear explanation on how it works. Actually there is, but I don't want to go. This is already more than 5 minutes. But EOS is a game changer. I know there are a lot of people who don't like EOS currently, but why? Because they say the blockchain is not yet out, so why should you talk about EOS that way? Well, most of us talk about EOS this way because we are judging based on what has been done. You see, Steem and BitShares. But it's coming up in June, so I can't wait. I can't wait actually. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my video. And right now I'm in Uyo. I couldn't come because of my mom. She's not feeling fine right now. But thank you, Tojo. Thank you to Crypto Hub, to Chris, to Emmanuel, to Troy, EOS Nation, and Aredele, Dayo, Morrison, Bob, for putting this together. I think that's all.